The babies are a week old today. You're shy. Oh, you baby. Little shy baby. This is Bennett. Hey, Bennett. Hey, Bennett. Hey, Bennett. And there's Finn. Hey, Finny. Hey, Finn. Here's Finn. Come here, fatty. Fatty boy. Hey, Shy. Hey, Shy. Hey, babies. There they are. 1 week old today. 1 week old. Here's Bennett. Hey, Bennett. Oh, big yawn. Goodness. Goodness. He's so handsome. And here's the big fatty boy. Here's Shy. Shy. Puppy. What are you doing? Oh, big yawn. And here's Finny. Here's Finn. Hi, Finn. Oh, little fat boy. Hello, little Finn. Hello, little Finn. You can see how light he is. Better in this. Better than in pictures, actually. There they go. Shy, Finn, and Bennett. He's so precious. Here you go, Bennett. Hello, baby. Hello, Shy baby. Hey, Shy baby. Hello, Bennett. Hello, Bennett. Hi. I know I'm bugging you, huh? And here's a little Bennett. Hello, Bennett. Hi. Little Finn. Oh, Bennett. Yeah. Yeah. There you go, Finn. Hello, little Fanny. Oh, sorry, Bennett. Little Bennett. Little tiny Bennett. And Fanny. There's Fanny. His nose is darkening. Ah. And this is the big fat boy. Oh, he's so fat. Little Shay. Hi, Shay. Hi, Shy. Hi, Shay. Hi, Shy. Oh, big yawn. Shy Shay. Shy Shay. Shay Shy. We call him Shy. But he's not really shy. I'll see you again, little fat Finn. Oh, little fat Finny. Hi, Finny. Hi, Finny. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Yeah. Oh, my goodness. My goodness. Oh, Finny. The noise. Listen to that noise. He does not like being on his belly. I mean, on his back. Oh, he's so sweet. Come here, sweetie. Come here, sweetie. Come here, sweetie. Yeah, such a sweet boy. Oh, honey. Hi, honey bunny. Good boy. What a little precious thing. What a little precious thing. There's that boy. And this little tiny guy. This little tiny Bennett. He's so tiny. He's so tiny. Yeah. Tiny little boy. Yeah. Hey, Bunkins. Oh. What a sweetheart. What a little sweetheart. Yes. Yeah. Oh, so sweet. So sweet. So sweet. I have to show you Shy's pretty markings on his chest. Let's see. Let me see your chest. There he goes. He doesn't like it, but we gotta flip him over. There we go. Let me see. Look at that. Pretty points. Yeah. Pretty points on him. Yeah. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Goodness. And he's got a funny little tail. Yeah. He's got kind of a funny little tail. Yeah, there's its funny little tail. Makes him special. Makes him special. One-week-old boys.